M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and we are learning Morse code, and today the letters are S and T. So S, dit dit dit, dit dit dit, made famous really by SOS, which is dit dit dit, da da da, dit dit dit, da da da. So anyway, dit dit dit, let's have a listen. Now close your eyes and listen to the sound, don't look at the dots, listen to the sound and the rhythm. Dit dit dit. Right, now let's listen to T. T is just a simple da, 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 da. Close your eyes, think of a flat line and a da. Well, really, listen to the sound really. Hear the da, da. Close your eyes and hear that. And that's a T. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. 7-3, catch you on air, and all the best.